He carry mic like this. Say, I want to ask something. I say, no problem. He said, what be the first biggest mistake what you don't do for your life? For your life. I said, the first biggest mistake what I don't do for my life. Now to first come from this family. Say, now this man, I be my father. Now I'm perverse. Keep beat me. I converse. I take people waiting now. My life. Not the truth. Oh, you know verse? You know, no wonder. No wonder you poor. Anybody wait through to the verse, no go fit make am for life. All these rich men wey you dey see, then they accept truth. So na lie, my still pack on, they still dey pack. As I dey talk, as I talk that when they come increase in height, come dey pack. Before I know, people wey dey ask us, wey dey interview us, don already bring camera, and then all of them don talk to cameramen. I say, what? Una dey beat us? I come. Because my friend dey beat me, I no fit beat am back. Na my friend, I come call the revenge for the people wey dey. I come dey beat all of them. I call this beat, I call the beat before. All of them, all of them, even my brother join and they beat come on, all of them. So some of them they run, even if they are sick, so run. I don't even want some phone fall. All of them don't come out. Come out for. I said, come on now. I see one phone. I said, Papa, God don't give us phone. Papa, I say, my brother. From there, we don't get phone. Question finish and God come bless us with food. I can't give. Now I can't say, Papa, but you don't try you. This beating now for waiting. Now truth I talk now. But even if not true, you must you talk for you know say that the video was this. I said no verse. God don't give us phone now. Now me I hope my power come.